Hi guys! Last session was about trim mix. Today, we shall be sharing about aileron differential. Aileron differential simply means that the ailerons move more in one direction than the other. Most of the time, it is a greater deflection being upwards. Do note that aileron differential function on the 18SZ is possible only if the model uses individual servos for each aileron control surface, meaning there is aileron 1 and aileron 2. This is how it works. First of all, to get into aileron differential, we go into the model menu, and next we select aileron differential, and by default we will see aileron 1. Left here means left movement of the aileron of the throttle stick on the transducer sticks, and by default it is 100 each side. Same thing for aileron 2, it is 100. And the mode right now is in group. This relates to flight conditions, which we will cover later, and fine tuning, which we will also mention later. So now we will demonstrate how to use the aileron differential for aileron 2. So if I were to move the sticks to the right, okay, and I want to reduce this amount, we will bring this 100 down to a value, and if I move the sticks to the right, and if I would like to increase this, it can be done. Okay, and because I have sub-trimmed the model to neutral on both ailerons, it should be about the same in the values. Right? So the values that we will set up with on the workbench will be according to the manufacturer's recommended throw amount. So in this case, for this model, the recommended aileron stroke value is between 20 on the upward, 20 to 24. On the downward stroke is between 7 to 9. We can set this up with dual rates in the later episodes. Next, we will talk about the fine-tuning function. By default, it is unassigned, so we would like to assign it to the right dial and assign RD, and the curve we can leave it as a linear curve. So what this fine-tuning does is that it adjusts the amount of upward throw, and it can be adjusted, fine-tuned in flight. So for example, I were to demonstrate, if I were to move the sticks to the left wing goes up, I can turn the knob and adjust the value accordingly. And this is on both sides. So in flight, when I were to execute my roll, I can use this fine tune to make sure that the roll is in axis. Should I experience any adverse yaw due to the ailerons, I can reduce or increase the upward throw with the RD, the right knob. So this is how we set up aileron differential. So that's all we have on aileron differential. Up next, we shall be covering rudder to aileron mix. See you then. Like our videos if you enjoyed what you've watched. And if you find that the video was helpful, please share it. Any suggestions, most welcome, please comment down below. And if you'd like to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.